20年就那个了，24年你去考考，กะจะสิเหรอยันหนาวอยู่เลยนะครับยันนี้มกราคมที่27 2526วันอังคารอากาศยันหนาวมากๆเลยกะจะใช่ไหมว่าจะถักกันยันนี้ที่ปกติว่าว่าอันนี้ถอยไปถ้ามีขอผู้ลายไปช่วยอยากก็ข้าวหน่อยก่อนเลยว่าจะอยากก็ข้าวหน่อยอะไรเกลือจะได้กรึบแล้วข้าวใส่เกลือถนนทำไปก็ละลายหมดแล้วแต่ว่าล้อถนนนี่ยังเต็มอยู่อยากก็จีเลยชอบเบี้ยใช่ไหมอยากก็คือก็สู้อะไรคือเสียสิคือเลยแล้วก็ชอบคือเขาจะแค่กัดยาเสียกัดยามันจะเยอะให้จีกันนั่นแหละกัดยาเงาะกอบพวกเลยงั้นต้องลาจะเกิดกัดยาคนที่คนเลยก็สลัดดูเลยมือเนี่ยอย่าละก็ข้าศึกจ้าชิคอมือละเลยเวอังดีก็เตะมือละก็ย่อกะก็อังดีเพ่เวทชาชอบเพ่ยังอ่ะเฮ้ยจ้ากะจ้าจะเช่นนั้นอยากก็ขลังเตียนอยากก็ข้ามมาเป็นจะจริงว่าสิว่าขับรถดูว่าถนนเป็นยังไงแต่นี่หน่อย let's go up to the hill and come backก็ชุดนี้เยอะๆจะเนี่ยที่ตัดเชือกถึงว่าอยากก็ข้าวก็แบบชอบดูเตะขับรถเที่ยวแล้วเที่ยวกูว่าชอบเที่ยว County Home Road. County Home Road. Still not perfect yet, but a little bit okay. So the main one is okay to drive. The main road is okay. On the way home, coming down County Home Road. County Home Road อยากก็ค่าที่มอติตอนนี้อยากก็เจ็บก็น้อยชื่อเอาอยากก็ขอก็อยากก็จะอยากก็จีเลยกะจะเงินอะไรนะSt. Paul Church Road. Now I'm going to Homicide Road. The corner on it is still bad. I don't know why don't they remove very good. Now I'm coming down for the Joy Baptist Church, Homicide Road. Người về cho cáiอยากcó khác cóอยากlà cóอยากcó khác thì đại gia. Là cho cáiอยากcó khác rồi. Ở đó chỉ có người đây. Cái chỗ còn là cái chỗ chứ ngồi Homicide toward the bridge slowly. car. Yeah, the road here is still very bad. So this is not safe to drive. The road here is so bad. Okay, I will try all-wheel drive 4x4. So yeah, I'm gonna cut them up or cut it off. Very sad. They didn't remove good here, so still can be go and come back, but it's very risky. So rather drive over the County Home Road like this. Drive slowly, okay. Everywhere else, okay. I don't know why that section they didn't pro. Okay. The main road is okay. As daytime sunny, but in the morning, evening will be danger. Ya có khăm mà có mình ta chọn thắc có kẹp rồi, cho cái nằm chip phô lắm, cái phô là có cả khá có thể bỏ, còn lê về, tất cả cho cái thằng cơ về. Checking Highland Avenue, oh Highland. Where the bright spot is danger. Right here where the bright spot is. Now you can see some spot is need to take time slowly but surely. Drive carefully, it should be okay. Tiyo ko o khama galo he jawe te ka jawe te kame jawe. Highland Avenue is okay, so only certain spot, some bright spots still danger, especially all this water when it cold at night. Mo ko he ko kita chia te galo thake nam chile mpu ka khala ko mua các cửa về còn lệ khá là cụ tế gà ta là làm chi tiết nạ từ là muốn gì muốn chả bà khá là á lệ khá bộ lệ giá tù là thật nữa tao cao anh ấy sama khá bà đây để tao ye chao mưa cả tao ye là ba thiết tổ leo thật nữa nó học buồn lâu rồiแล้วก็คงจะหนาวจะลื่นในการขับขี่ครับ Right here the bridge by Medano Parkway Hickory Cheerio furniture area. They are working. Most of the people are working. Okay, right here is the very best spot right here. Otio kamala ya kawa Africa lo no dire tiki. Ya komada lo otio. Ma ko khade. Ko kamaga ko we jale kajal. Right here, it's bad one. There's a few couple places they're bad. Right here is the Catawba Medical Center intersection. So I'm going out to here Tate. So check that the main road down here is okay. Only certain spot is terrible. The main road is okay. You can see where the bright spot is up there, where the tree and too cold. But just need to drive carefully. Only certain spot like this where the car can spin. One lane is okay, but too much snow, so just need to watch out. Right here, tape. Here is pretty much okay. Take up here is okay to drive chair there. Pretty much clear. That's only some certain bright spot. Right here, Medano Parkway intersection. Going up to Lenore for Tate Medical Center. Then here where we used to drive this way. So we're going up to Tate. Don't take the small road, just Take the main one. It should be okay. It's clear right here. Right here, there's no line. There's no line. There's no line. Road okay too. Just only need to be careful. Going to a hickory area here. About to hit 127, go to St. Lucy's Catholic Church. So the main road is pretty much good. Right here, 127. Full stop. Red light to go to St. Lucy's Catholic Church. 127. Okay, today I'm going here where the hickory soup and kitchen. One way down. See how the road is. Just only watch out the bright. By spot. So the main road is pretty much okay. The main road is okay. Cherry, look, it's clear. Just drive the main road like this. One way in hickory, one way direction. I saw police, I saw postman too. Okay. Catch and go car sales. Okay, cherry there. Gas station still $2.70 in this area. Okay. So one way down is pretty much good now. From here, I will do the right turn and go to your workplace. Okay, that is going to do the right turn right here, Cherry, where used to be a small car sales place, where they used to make joke, and I will turn right here. So the main road is okay, clear. Just drive down this direction. I saw a bit snow. Removal right here. John Deere. Big one. Right here. See there, the road is good. So I will go drive all the way down to your workplace. Right here. The main one, the main road is all good. Just only certain spot like this, right here. Just need to be careful. tell that the road is clear. Clear. Looks good to go to work. No problem at all. They did good job right here. There's a little bucket still removing snow everywhere. You can see down here where the key place, where they make coffee key. Just need to watch our certain spot. Gas price $2.65. Okay, right here nearby your workplace, Cherry. Cherry about to turn right to go to Hickory Music Factory. Okay, it's right here. Let's see. Okay, right here. So look good. The road is look good. Everything clear. Okay, right here clear too. So safe to drive to work. Everything looks good, Cherry there. Looks good. Clear. I will go see if Rick and Liam clean up the hockey spot. You'll be there soon, okay? Let's go. We'll go see if anybody is there. Okay, they don't see any car at all. Any car. Okay, I just saw Rick's car. So parking lot is not too bad here. They clean up pretty much good. Right here. So he cleaned up pretty much. Okay, Cherry there right here. Just only need to drive carefully. Right here, Hickory Music Factory, Cherry there. Cắt ra là ngó mấy gưa lại phèo là cắt ra là về aka ăn đi shop phèo lại cái phone này cái phone on là đi on chính mình đi搞的Cái lò lì cho chiên ngồi ăn ngược cao sơ sọ có bảo là đó là เพื่อที่ไม่เคยเห็นแต่ว่าทางอเมริกาภาคตะวันออกเป็นยังไงอยากจะให้ดูก็เป็นทำนองนี้นะครับและในอเมริกามันจะต้องฟ้องนะอังกฤษกาวิชขออยากก็ปฏิบัติแล้วเป็นครั้งแรกในปีนี้นะครับมีหิมะต